you guys are having a wonderful day and making some really good trades. And let's dive right into the analysis here. And as you guys can probably tell, we had another big drop towards the downside. Like I said, market cipher is getting very, very bearish now. We are crossing back into that red money flow. And even some of my members are posting some analysis of expanding Bollinger Bands towards the downside on the larger time frames. So this is not looking too good for Bitcoin, especially with the traditional markets getting rejected from the highs today as well. The market did pump on the initial news that Jerome Powell is going to be it was a dovish, it was very dovish, and he kind of folded. But overall, I think the markets are starting to come to the realization that rates are not going down and we are not getting rate cuts either. So we may have a problem here for the crypto market if we don't recover soon. But obviously we are in the longer term and larger buy area here for Bitcoin as we continue to push lower. Right now, currently trying to hold the $57,000 level, and we actually had a reversal all the way to 59,000, and then he dropped back down to the $57,500 level. So we'll have to see if we can recover, maybe come back up over 60k, but that's a tall order right now. And I want to dive into some analysis on wave edge here because we're actually seeing smart money buying here on the 4-hour time frame once again. So they are starting to accumulate here at the $56,800 level. But it doesn't mean that a low is in, right? It's not a 100% guarantee, but we are off to a good start. So if Bitcoin can hold these levels, then we can get a little bit more upside. Maybe we can recover back. But we have a lot we have a lot of work to do now after this big drop. So again, remember we are in the longer term buy area, right? The longer term buy area for the wave 4 retrace. So this wave 3 ended. This entire thing here was a wave 4. These were rejections that we called out inside the Discord perfectly. I was actually looking for a rally to the $85,000 level, but that didn't end up happening. We had a slow rally to 67, which failed, and now we are starting to roll over towards the downside. So the trend is definitely shifting. We are currently in some pretty oversold conditions. If you guys want to get access to my trades, this is what we posted in the Discord today. A nice 33% winner. Unfortunately, I got out around 14% gains because it was a very volatile day. We were up over 33%. Some members took their profits right around 58,000 to 59,000, but I had to close out a little bit short-handed, but still a win overall. So if you guys enjoy these types of trades, feel free to join with the link in the description. Let's continue on here, and we'll take a look at what Bitcoin is doing on Market Cipher. So again, we have red money flow now on the daily time frame. Momentum waves are expanding towards the downside. 18 and a -4 on the dual band strength index, showing us that we should have more downside. When you head over to the smaller time frames like the 4-hour, you're starting to get some bullish dual band strength index numbers, but this could just be some chop, right? You may get some chop, maybe a little bit more upside, but ultimately you might continue with another leg lower. If you can form bullish divergence, then that's going to be a strong buying opportunity if that does happen. But until then, this could just be some sideways price action, and I think some people are calling for an altcoin rally, which is possible, but due to the not the bullish divergence, the Bitcoin dominance going down. I'm not sure if I have it up here on one of my charts. Let me see if I can get it up. Bitcoin EMA ribbons. I got two charts like that. I think I should get the dominance up here. Let me see if I have the dominance. There we go. I got the Bitcoin dominance. I'll just pull it up here. I'll get rid of one of these charts or one of these charts. I got too many of them. So the Bitcoin dominance. Wow, look at that. I had the long-term trend line here starting to break back above. It looks like it's going back down for a retest. We'll have to see. We'll have to see how this plays out. It essentially just hit the 50% retrace here on the weekly. And now we're starting to come back lower. So we'll see. We'll see. Again, I don't want to make any big predictions here, but if the Bitcoin dominance does come down significantly, then in that case, you have actually some pretty big bearish divergence on the weekly. So if that happens, then yeah, you can get you can get an altcoin rally. A lot of people are talking about XRP longs right now, which actually is not a bad idea. I'm actually looking to get into an XRP long, so I'll actually post that trade inside the Discord once I've got it all laid out. But until then, I don't really have any other news for you guys other than that. Let me put this back on the Bitcoin dominance chart. There we go. We'll keep it there. And yeah, that's about it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I will let you guys know when I see a little bit more significant buying. But if this is the low here for now, and we want to see a nice roll reversal, I wouldn't be too opposed, to it. I think we might get a pop back up, but this would be a nice shorting opportunity possibly for some more downside, unless we can recover tremendously and get back into green money flow. But it looks like we're a long ways away for that for now. Anyways, hopefully you enjoyed the video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.